Mike Hughes here. I'm in the Soccoro Islands and the Sea of Cortez with Susan. And Susan, you want to tell us a little bit about what we have here?
I do. I am just thrilled to be part of Rocío del Mar and Kino El Guardian live-aboard dive boats in Mexico. We travel to the amazing destinations of Soccoro and the Sea of Cortez. And we get to see giant manta rays in Soccoro, over 7 different species of sharks, and then in the Sea of Cortez we get to dive with playful sea lions, snorkel with whale sharks one day. It's phenomenal.
There's the sea lions you'd be playing with.
Yeah, and then we have 2 boats. So this is Kino El Guardian, and actually about half of the trips we do on this boat are citizen science based. So we'll have a scientist on board that's studying sharks. The guests get to help with tagging sharks and taking them out of the water, or studying manta rays, and they do samples, they get presentations, so they get to learn all about the ocean and all of its inhabitants. And then this is our first boat that we had designed and built. Rocío del Mar takes 20 guests, and we have 10 private cabins. But the thing we're best known for is our incredible food, but even better than the food is the crew. And long before I was ever part of the team, I was a great customer, and then I became wonderful friends with the owner, Doris Sandoval, and now I get to be part of this team. So I'm very thrilled to be here.
Cool. Now, is this the itinerary right here?
Yes, the itinerary, yes, this is the map. So these are the different destinations. So right now it's Soccoro season, where we leave out of Cabo and go all the way to Soccoro. It's 250 miles offshore.
That's to go see the manta rays.
That's to go see the manta rays. And then during the summer months, July through September, we do the Sea of Cortez Midriff Islands, and we leave out of Puerto Penasco. Most guests just fly into Phoenix, and it's a short shuttle ride that takes them right to the boat out of Phoenix Airport, and then we're out for 8 days, Saturday to Saturday or Sunday to Sunday, and that's July through September.
Perfect.
And then after that, we do 3 trips called Explore Baja. Nobody else does these trips, where we'll start at one end, and 13 days later, after wonderful diving, we'll end up at the other. And so we do that 3 times.
And that sets you up for the next season.
And that sets up us for the next season.
Perfect.
So.
Okay, and something about the dive show they should know is if they came to the dive show, then they can enter in for a drawing to win a trip.
You sure can. If you come to the dive show, we're giving away a trip to go on Kino El Guardian to this wonderful Sea of Cortez.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.